Hey everyone, Brandon here, Florida Outdoors RV Country in Okeechobee, Florida. I want to show you this pre-owned fifth wheel, excellent condition. Got a solid surface countertops throughout. Got our freestanding dinette. Really nice living room. Fantastic condition. We've got a large kitchen here. So if you're on a budget looking for something fifth wheel, it's in good condition. Take a look up here in the living space or the room space. Nice big bath, or bedroom. Great condition. Got a nice bathroom here. Alright, so taking a look on the outside. Now this is the 34 SATS Cedar Creek. If you have any questions, would love to see this in person, just give us a call, 863-623-469, or just stop on by. Be more than glad to answer any questions for you. Thanks so much. Have a great day.